Hi Melanie, sorry it's taken me a little while to get back to you, but I've been doing a bit of research looking into different applications that we can use on an iPad, and I haven't found terribly many that are fantastic for teaching with, but I've come up with a couple of ideas to at least get us started. One is the idea of using this program called Log Me In. You need to buy this Ignition app for your iPad. I think it's about $12 or $13, and install it on your iPad, and also install the same piece of virtually the same piece of software, and it talks you through it on the website, on your laptop or a podium computer or something like that that's connected to the data projector. What effectively that does, if I just log in here, it allows me on my iPad to remotely control, in this case, my tablet. And so effectively on my iPad screen, I see everything that's going on the tablet screen. The tablet's doing all of the work, and I just get to control it from a remote desktop, effectively, my iPad. When you combine that with the idea of this particular the website called Poll Everywhere, this is a freebie. I'll just quickly log in here, and sorry, I just got a mail. I can't do two things at once. There you go. What this actually allows you to do is bring in a whole lot of interactivity into your PowerPoints. And so it's a way of sort of moving towards a metal type of approach, but using PowerPoint. And bearing in mind you can control all of this from your iPad, we can start to get some feedback from students. In this circumstance, I want to create a multiple choice poll. You can also do a free text poll. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, when you sign up for it, it's pretty easy. I'm going to make an easy quiz. Do this obviously before the class. Over here, I can change what happens in terms of the number of responses. The free version has a limit of 30 responses, but I reckon if I'm getting 30 students answering my questions, I'm doing pretty well. Then I'm just going to save this poll. What it then allows me to do is download this as a slide, either into PowerPoint or Keynote. You might want to, so there's the Keynote option just there, but I'm going to download it into PowerPoint. You might want to download it into Keynote if you're running it on your Mac or on your iPad. It gives you 5 or 6 little slides here which gives you a bit of a script, and you can show students how to actually do it. But essentially what it's saying is, when you get down to this last page, what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to actually copy and paste this particular object here. It's called a shockwave flash object. So I've just hit Control C, and I've made a new PowerPoint here, and I'm just going to get rid of this rubbish off here and paste in my shockwave flash object. What I can then do is make it a little bit bigger, and what you'll end up seeing is a representation in a second of what you would be able to display up the front of your lecture theatre. And this is the Australian Idol version of lecturing. You can have students text a code to 0429 883 481, text a code to, or tweet a code to Twitter, or if they've got a web-enabled phone or a computer in the classroom, any web-enabled device, they just go to this website. When they go there, if they think that my name is John, they just type in 196081, and away we go. If they think it's Michael, obviously, different number. And what actually happens with this flash object in your PowerPoint presentation or your Keynote presentation is you get a nice little graph along here of the number of responses that are coming in for different choices. It's a little way to go for us yet in terms of getting something really cutting edge with the iPad, but at least it gives us a starting point. I'll look forward to hearing from you soon and seeing where we can take it. Cheers.